Struggling to get eyes on your KDP book? Amazon ads might be the missing piece to your success. But if ads aren't your thing, don't worry, I'll also share other ways to promote your book and grow your audience. Let's dive in. This is part 4 of my KDP Success series, where I take you step by step from idea to finished book and beyond.
Oh, but I just got here.
In this video, we'll tackle Amazon ads, a powerful way to boost your book's visibility and get in front of your readers. But here's the thing, if you choose not to use ads, that's okay.
Are you sure about that?
What's important is that you do something to promote your book, whether it's reaching out to local bookstores, sharing on social media, or setting up a small event. Every effort counts. I'll share a few alternative strategies at the end of this video, so stick around. First, let's break down Amazon ads. Amazon offers a few types of KDP author ads. Sponsored products, these are the most common and appear in search results or on the top of a product page. Sponsored brands, ideal for authors with multiple books, but not necessary for beginners. Lock screen ads, great for ebooks, but require more testing to get it right. For most authors, starting with sponsored products is the way to go. Now, when it comes to running an ad on KDP, I've struggled as everybody has. I've followed other influencers that have done great, like Sean Dulwit. He gives really great advice along with some others. So I've followed their process, but there was a time where I was like, I just don't have the money right now to post ads. So I paused all the ads, and I was selling, but it was kind of equaling how much I was making in the ads. So I, just to let you know from my experience, have not been running ads consistently for a long time, like for more than 3 months. So I'm diving back in. Let's do this together. I'm going to show you how to do this, and then we will continue to learn together as we go. So right here on your KDP page, you go up here to the marketing tab. Then over here for Amazon ads, click on, I start with Amazon.com in the US, go to the ads console. As you can see, I've started to get some sales in the last couple of days, so that's great. But come down here to this blue button and click Create Campaign. Now, there's 2 types of ads that we're going to work with. Right now, I'm just going to do the sponsored products because I'm focusing on one particular book. I'm not going to do the custom ad text. This is what I've seen suggested by others. Let me know if you would suggest the custom text ad. I'm going to go with standard ad. I'm going to change this. I really want to promote some of those new ebooks that I made. So I'm going to title this ebook. Now I need to search the ebooks and add them here. I wrote a KDP success book, so I would like to work on promoting this one. What I did was I took all of my blog posts and I put them into a designer, and it generated a book from what I had already written on my blog post. So it was kind of in combination with AI. We wrote it in tandem. So I'm going to promote that book. I'm going to select manual targeting. Now, there are 2 different ways that you can select targeting here. You can go for keywords or product, meaning when someone types in a keyword, it will pull up your ad. Or if they're looking for another product, like another book in that particular genre, then it'll pull up your ad if they're already looking at other books. I like the product targeting. Sometimes the keyword targeting works. I'm going to do product targeting on this one. So now we need to get those products. Let me show you. So first of all, we could go by categories, but I'm going to go by individual products. I'm actually going to submit my own suggestions here. So I'm looking for other books that are like mine. And this is all about how beginner's guide to KDP. Perfect. Now I'm going to select my KDP spy and click start. What it's going to do now is identify all the other books that have to do with that subject on that page. It's pulled up about 27. I'm going to click stop. So I'm going to save these. It saves into a file. And now I'm going to just highlight the ASINs. I'm going to copy and then come back over here and paste. Now I'm going to click target, and it moves them all over to the right-hand side. It asks about my bid. I usually do a little bit less of a bid, around 35 cents, but I start with what it suggests to me. So that tells me, because so far the other ads I've run are for like my medium and low content books, like the journals and the lined notebooks. Those are about 30 to 35 cents. So ebooks or books that are a little bit more high end have a higher product targeting bid. So here I have all of my targets. I added 32. Now I'm going to come down here. I skip the negative product targeting. I always select the dynamic bid down only because I don't want it to automatically up bid and raise that price, only if it identifies an opportunity to go down. I pass bid adjustments. Down here, I'm going to title this campaign ebook. I'm starting it today, no end. I check them every day so I can stop it at any time I want. It suggests the daily budget as $12, so I'm going to do 12. Sometimes I do 5, sometimes I do 10, depending on my budget. And sometimes it does suggest only 10. So it just depends on your personal budget and what you can afford. And then click Launch Campaign. And that's it. Now you'll get an email saying that it's being considered, and it will tell you if you've violated any rules or if it doesn't qualify, but most of the time it does qualify. So that is how to do a product ad. Let me show you now how to do one that focuses on keywords instead of products. So I come here again to the sponsored products, standard ad. Now I want to promote this ABC 123 tracing book. It sold well a little while ago. So I'm going to call this ad group ABC and 123. Going to click add here. This is an activity workbook. Change this to manual targeting. Now I want to focus on keywords. So I'm going to come back here, type in ABC activity book, and then come back here to my KDP spy. And here I'm going to select keywords. And then it starts to search all the keywords that other people or someone would enter in order to get this book, because this is where I would like the book to show up. Now, it doesn't allow me to just download this as a list, so I'll show you what I do. I highlight about 30 of them, copy. As you can see, it highlighted everything, and I don't want that. Let me show you what I do. Come here to ChatGPT, I paste it, and then I say, click Shift and Return, and I tell it to remove all the information except for the keywords. And so there it has it. Okay. Copy. And here I'm going to enter list. I leave broad, phrase, and exact checked because I want it to be able to think beyond that exact phrase and consider broad. So that's why I leave that there. And I'm going to add keywords. See, this one offered me a lower suggested bid. Sometimes like here, product category, this one, I can just X that one out. Oh, it said I gave too many, so that's fine. I just love how it kind of walks you through. So you should never be afraid about if you're going to do something wrong. It tells you when you do something wrong or something that doesn't work with the program. Okay, let's check all of them. Make sure there's no big red marks. Now, down here, I'm going to do the same thing, down bid only. Call this campaign ABC and 123. And I'm going to do the daily budget of $12. And launch campaign. It's that easy. I get it. Ads aren't for everyone, but promoting your book is still critical. Here are some alternative strategies. Partner with a local bookstore. Offer signed copies or host a reading event. Leverage social media. Share behind-the-scenes content about your book or create reels and posts that resonate with your audience. And of course, join online communities. Find Facebook groups or forums related to your book's niche and engage authentically. The key is consistency. Whether you're running ads or sharing your book with the world in other ways, consistent effort will always pay off. Amazon ads are just one tool in your toolbox, but they can be incredibly effective if used strategically. And if you're not ready for ads, don't let that worry you. There are so many ways to promote your book and connect with readers. The most important thing is to keep moving forward. Your story deserves to be shared, and there's an audience out there waiting for it.